Wow, look at this. These are the geysers during the night. Oh, no way. This is so beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, hot spring.
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Wow. Even this shot is looking so beautiful. Look at this.
Home point updated.
我们现在他俩还在是吗？
There's 3 over here and 3 over here. These 3 are known as our baby geysers because they're small. Precisely. They're smaller than those 3. 2 of them share the same name, which is, can we say, Ma, Ha, Na, Mahanga. That means twin, so those are our twin geysers. And then right behind them we have, can we say, Wai, Koro, Hihi, Wai Koro Hihi. That's right, just like Michael Jackson. That's our grumpy old man. I'm not totally sure why we named it that. Probably something to do with the pronunciation. We say geyser, some folks say geyser. But for us, we try to stay away from geyser because to us a geyser is like a grumpy old man. Now the main three in the middle over here, can we say po, hu, tu, nui, po hu tu nui. That is our big splash, and right next to it, can we say te, to, hu, te tohu. Can we say prince? Oh, Wales. So that's I think my cousin touching on it a little bit, but the story pretty much goes, there were prior occupants in the valley living here, but due to a disagreement, Wahiao brought his ope, his war party in, and the prior occupants, who were lovely people, they decided to leave. Well, you know, that's the savoury answer anyways. There was a conflict and the people of Wahiao were victorious folks. So ever since then we've lived in the village right over there. I said that the other night and somebody thought I meant in the trees. No, we have come farther than trees. Okay. You can't really see it right now because of the steam.
तो अभी आपने देखा ड्रोन व्यू, एरियल व्यू, और अब हम आपको आगे चल के दिखाते हैं कैसा दिखेगा ये गीज़र, गाइजर, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉल इट. सी आपको लग रहा होगा कि कहाँ ही स्पूकी सी जगह पे जा रहा है. बहुत ही सुंदर है यार. दिन में भी इतना सुंदर था, लेकिन रात को तो ये लाइटों के साथ अलग ही लेवल पे पहुंच गया है. देखो so beautiful. Wish when I was flying it would have been even more beautiful. On this side. This is definitely one of a kind, right? Never. Yeah, we have never done such kind of walks.
Very scary for one cave alone.
No, it will be even more amazing. And look at that, there's a moon, there are those geysers.
Sulfur smell.
Yeah, the smell of sulfur. So great.
Sit back on that hot rock.
Yeah, you're liking those hot rocks? भाई वैसे बता दूँ, ये जो पत्थर है ना जिन पे हम बैठे हुए हैं, ये इतने ज़्यादा गर्म है नेचुरली, क्योंकि ये जो सारा गीज़र है ना, ये सब गर्म पानी इनके नीचे भी है, तो इसकी वजह से नेचुरली पत्थर इतने ज़्यादा गर्म है कि इसको तो अभी थोड़ी देर में बैठते ही इतना ज़्यादा गर्म लगने लगा कि ये खड़ी हो गई. You still want to sit? Try not to sit on the cracks. Try to sit on this. This will be less warm.
No, it's
Yeah, that's good. That's why most of the food, ज़्यादातर खाना जो बुफे में था ना, खास करके वो हनी रोस्टेड चिकन, लैम या कुछ भी जो भी रोस्टेड था, वो सब ऐसे ही तंदूर के अंदर बनाया हुआ था ज़मीन के अंदर, क्योंकि ये जो नेचुरल हीट है इन गेज़र्स की, जियोथर्मल वाटर की, वो ही यूज़ करके इन्होंने हमको खाना सर्व किया, जो कि बहुत टेस्टी था। ऐसा अपने इंडिया में भी होता है, अगर आप जाओगे मणिकरण साहिब गुरुद्वारा या क्या कहते हैं अपने मनाली साइड में भी है, तो वहाँ पे गर्म पानी के सोते ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं चावल या चावल बनाने के लिए। मणिकरण साहिब गुरुद्वारा जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे आपको जो प्रसादा वाइब मिलेगा वो भी आपका उन्हीं गर्म पानी के सोतों में बनाया।
The ups start to get smaller and smaller, so it's kind of like this, and then it goes down to nothing for about 20 minutes or so. And then you'll get 20 minutes of the Prince of Wales feather, which is not really what we got when we arrived. It was a strange eruption tonight. But like somebody pointed out, they said, are these natural? Yes, they are 100% natural. We don't have anyone underneath pumping it so it comes up. No buttons or switches, although that would be amazing. We don't use soap powder as well like other places, except for that one time with the Queen. But we don't talk about that. I know up to 4. So, Old Faithful Steamboat in the States, number 1 and 2. Then Strokkur in Iceland. I don't know if anyone's been there or visited that one. That's number 3. And then Portugal is number 4. And then I don't know past that.
So beautiful, right? And what did you tell about these geysers? That these are the biggest in the South Pacific?
in the South Hemisphere.
In the Southern Hemisphere, these are the
Biggest one.
biggest geysers.
Natural.
Wow. तो भाई सुन लिया है आपने, आप यहाँ पे जो विटनेस कर रहे हो वो बहुत ही अनोखा है, क्योंकि पूरे सदर्न हेमिस्फेयर में सबसे बड़ा नेचुरल गाइजर यहाँ पे है, आपके आंखों के ठीक सामने। बहुत ही मज़ेदार व्यू है यार, जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ से। ठंड है इस टाइम, लेकिन फिर भी क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे हैं, टेम्परेचर थोड़ा सा हाई है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर। जहाँ बैठे हैं वो इतना ज़्यादा गर्म है कि ज़्यादा देर बैठा भी नहीं जा रहा।
Dealt with the smell, folks. Not too bad. Some folks are gagging at this point, so I'm glad that we're doing all right. Alrighty, now, as I can see, the guys are slowly making their way down. I just want to say thank you again so much for joining myself and my cousin. If you have enjoyed, again, he's Rob, I'm Ihaka. If you didn't, then I'll be Justin. And his name's Tamati. So yeah, send those complaints right on through to Justin and to Tamati. So thank you so much. Whenever we end our time together, we offer you a whakatoki. That is a Maori proverb. I'll give you my favourite one. It goes like this: Kia te mea nui o tēnei ao mātua ki atu, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. And that translates to, at the end of the day, if you were to ask me what is the most important thing in this world, I would tell you that it is people. It is people. And it is me. No. It is people again. Thank you so much for joining me. If you would like to walk up, that is fine. It's the first left after the bridge. However, if you would like to jump on the mean green Lamborghini, hop on board. I'll see you folks there.
Let's go. Walk.
Go make sure nobody else is up there, and
Let's
I'll
go.
be right back to drive you up. Thanks again, folks.
Wow. Well, that was some trip. तो भाई यहीं हमारा टूर जो है वो ख़त्म होता है, और अब हम जाएंगे वापस अपनी कैंप साइट पे और जाके इस दिन को ख़त्म करेंगे। बाकी आई होप आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया हो, अच्छा लगा हो, और इस कैमरा ने भी अपना कमाल दिखाया हो। अगर आपको ये कैमरा और इसकी फुटेज अच्छी लगी है तो मैं आज फिर से इसका लिंक अपने बायो में डाल दूँगा, ठीक है। मेरे YouTube के बायो में, Instagram के बायो में आप जाके चेक कर सकते हैं, ओके। और अगर आप मेरा कूपन कोड या मेरी दी हुई लिंक पे क्लिक करके इनकी वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ तो फ़ायदा आपको ज़रूर होगा। वाओ, लुक एट दिस। It's so beautiful. I don't even feel like doing that. I've taken bath in these waters in India. Yeah, natural hot water springs. It's the sulfur water and it really helps you. Like in the morning they was telling, it really helps you with your skin and everything. तो भाई उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको पसंद आया होगा हमारा वीलॉग। मिलते हैं अगले वीलॉग में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। कीप ट्रैवलिंग।